A little bit sipped and all that. Oh, cash box and my black mug are all done. I think so. There, shouldn't you be lined up that way? I'm not sure. We'll ask. Okay.
I don't know if you want that or not, but it's
It's nice to see. This would be the perfect place to play with my camera. Maybe you can get to see some value days. I'm not good enough to do something like that. Oh, Mom! Teacup has Rose of Jericho in it. Can you get that? And one of the half-strength water bottles? You know, find a spot.
The things I do for this boutique. My beautiful nail, it's all broken.
here because it's trying to fall over with this angle. There we go.
Still pretty foggy. Just got foggier. But there's a cafe, so I'm going there. So much for switching to decaf. I need the caffeine. Okay, so this is probably my favorite necklace so far. Definitely gonna make more of these. I'm thinking, yeah, this is definitely gonna be an all year round one. Not just Valentine's Day, but look at that. I finally found a use for the extra glass beads I have from my vampire necklace. So cute. I'm gonna be making more of these. Still pretty early in the day. I think we got another 2 hours. I'm already almost sold out of the Rose of Jericho. Definitely running low on crystals. And almost out of the stag earrings. Let's see what else has been doing really well. Nothing on the potpourri bottles today, but some places just don't do that much. But the moisture definitely made some of the cards go back. It's still really foggy out. Regardless, pretty good day. It's just now clearing up at possibly the last hour, but at least we can see. This was too cute to pass up. So is this. Packing everything up while Mom gets the car around. Should be quick and easy.
Did you sign
Don't know how the dog's gonna react.
Mom, smile for the camera. It's a video, but I just want you to smile for it.
do that as well? I do have.
You got a Tohi there.
Tohi.
Yeah, I like my camera in the car too.
Darn, the battery's almost dead.
I got your Tohi and then this. Sure isn't afraid of. Too damn cool. Now that's gonna be the stellar we're hearing. That looks pretty cute.
Such a pretty round. The fog has returned. Spooky hike. Very spooky hike. Look at all the fog and clouds. This is gonna be a scary drive back down from the hill. Teeny tiny apple.
That is the cucumber.
Yeah, that looks like wild cucumber.
If you look at, it's got the vines and it's trying to grab.
Definitely viney. I don't know if you can see it. Wild cucumber it is. Like, you picture this for like the scene of a horror movie or something?
Oh, definitely.
Like, definitely like going up to a spooky
Out in the middle
mansion.
of nowhere.
You know, they had this for like the haunted mansion or something. That'd be kind of cool. Nothing but fog and headlights.
Suspenseful movies like to do. Seems like this. You ever seen the movie The Fog?
Yes, I remember the giant bugs and all that. I've just seen
Giant bugs?
Well, yeah, they're supposed to be like giant alien bugs.
Oh,
the fog.
no. The fog is a ghost ship of zombie pirates that comes into the town.
Okay. You know what?
And the fog won't let you see anything.
The mist. That's probably the one I'm thinking of with the bugs.
The mist is the one.
The mist. That was a really bad ending too. So, did you have fun, Mom? Awesome.
Yeah. I always liked Scrub Jays, but that one really made my day.
Oh, yeah, you just followed us around the entire trail. That was really cool. So, this morning, when I left my house for Yucaipa, I had a pretty nice looking blowout that I had done. And I knew it was going to be cold. I did know it was going to be cold. But what I did not account for was being in a cloud for 12 hours. Finish that up. It wasn't too bad though, honestly. You know, I got to meet some returning guests that I've had years prior. And I even actually had a couple of people, you know, recognize me from social media as well. So I'm starting to become famous. Let me know what you guys think about me talking on the camera. I'm honestly thinking about getting a microphone if you guys are interested in this. If not, I'll probably still do the voiceovers if that works best. But I feel like if I'm doing this, I actually have a little bit more to talk about and not just like write a script and try and remember it or just make up a script as I go. What else? Anyways, I'm also working on another video real soon regarding this right here, my shadow box. It's gonna be really fun. And yeah, if you liked the video, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, everything to do with YouTube. I hope you guys come back again real soon, and have a wonderful rest of your day.